Most modern airplanes use a turbofan engine. A turbofan engine is like a very powerful fan inside a round duct. This fan pulls a huge amount of air into the engine. Behind the fan is the engine core. The core is the part that creates the power. It works like a gas generator. The core has three main parts: the compressor, the combustor, and the turbine. First, air enters the compressor. The compressor squeezes the air and increases its pressure. This is important because compressed air helps fuel burn much stronger. The compressor does this in many stages. Each stage has spinning blades and fixed blades. The spinning blades push and swirl the air forward. The fixed blades slow the swirl and increase the air pressure. After the air is compressed, it moves into the combustor. Inside the combustor, fuel is sprayed into the compressed air. Then the air and fuel mixture is ignited. This creates a very hot and powerful gas. The combustor is shaped like a ring around the engine. This is called an annular combustor. Now let's take a closer look at how combustion actually happens inside the engine. First, compressed air enters the combustor. At the same time, fuel is sprayed in through fuel injectors. The air and fuel mix together and begin to swirl inside the chamber. Next, igniter plugs create a spark that ignites the mixture. Once the flame is established, it continues burning as long as fuel and air keep flowing into the engine. This process produces a powerful stream of hot, high-pressure gas that moves on to drive the turbine. Next, the hot gas moves into the turbine section. The turbine has many blades. When the hot gas hits these blades, it makes them spin very fast. The turbine is connected to the front fan and the compressor by shafts, so when the turbine spins, it helps turn the fan and compressor. This is how the engine keeps running. The turbine blades get extremely hot, so the engine uses some compressed air to cool them down. Special heat-resistant coatings also protect the turbine blades. At the back of the engine, the hot exhaust gases leave through the nozzle. The nozzle speeds up these gases and pushes them backward. As the air and gases are pushed backward, the airplane is pushed forward. This force is called thrust. In a modern turbofan engine, only some of the air enters the engine core where it is compressed, mixed with fuel and burned. The rest of the air is moved by the large fan and flows around the outside of the core. This is called bypass air. Bypass air produces much of the engine's thrust. It also makes the engine more fuel efficient and much quieter. Large passenger airplanes use high bypass turbofan engines. These engines have very large fans that move huge amounts of air at a slower speed. This makes them quieter, more efficient, and ideal for long-distance flights. But military aircraft use a different design. Let's see how these engines work. These engines have much less bypass air. More of the air goes through the engine core, which helps produce more power and higher speeds. Some military aircraft also use an afterburner. In the afterburner, extra fuel is sprayed into the hot exhaust gases. This fuel ignites, creating a second stage of combustion. This gives the aircraft a large boost in thrust. Because afterburners use a lot of fuel, they're usually used only for takeoff, rapid climbs, or combat. The nozzle at the back can also change shape, helping produce maximum thrust.